So namaste once again. Today's day 3 of my COVID-like symptoms. So 3 days ago, I had temperature, light headache, body ache, a lot of congestion, and my body was expelling a lot of spittoon with the phlegm that came, and my heart rate had jumped quite high. Today, things have settled down. Today morning, I'm feeling better than I was feeling yesterday morning. My temperature is down to near normal. My heart rate is down back in the 90s, though they were lower also. Hopefully, we'll get there. And my oxygen saturation is 97, 98, still a little low, but not too low. I've had a few run-ins with COVID or COVID-like symptoms before as well. And I developed what is called a pneumonia because of COVID. When I saw my pulmonologist, she told me that there is a certain bacteria in my lungs which will hit me every time my immunity is down for any reason. And that is what causes me to get pneumonia or pneumonia-like conditions, which is, of course, producing a lot of phlegm in the body. Because of the breath work that I do, the pranayam and the Shwaskosh Shuddhi Kriya, I expel a lot of that phlegm. And I have been doing that for a long time. So even in my last run-in with pneumonia, that's what I had done. However, over the last few months, uh, a certain breathing technique kind of became clear to me, which gave me the sense that my body was not creating as much phlegm as it was doing earlier, simply by breathing in a certain way. And which is what I've been doing for the past 3 days. And I'm very glad to say that the phlegm production is almost down to, well, very, very low levels. It's not like it's filling up the thing. So I'm very happy with that. And since my heart rate has come down, obviously that means there isn't too much of a buildup of phlegm. And that's a wonderful thing to happen. So in the Shwasko Shuddhi Kriya, the 3 breathing techniques that I've shared, especially in my Shwasko Shuddhi Kriya online courses with S. Vyasa and others. Huffing technique, which is you take a slow deep breath in and you go stop, relax the belly, stop, relax the belly. So the logic is all the out breath does not leave in one go. You can, expel as much air as you like the first go, stop, relax the belly. Some more buildup is there of air that needs to be expelled, and you can do that again 3, 4, 5 times. You can do that. It'll clear the lungs of stale air. This will clear the lungs of stale air. Also, if there is a buildup of phlegm, it'll start coming out, or at least it'll start feeling something in the throat. So you can do a clear the throat and then throw it safely into a spittoon or something. So that is what I was doing. And the first day, the second day, a fair amount of phlegm did come out. But I'm very glad to say today, the third day, the phlegm production is down. Now, that is the big thing. Because I have always had this condition with pneumonia or pneumonia-like situation, it has always been a challenge for me to control my, the buildup of phlegm. And the breath work that I've been doing has helped me bring down my phlegm production. The breath work that I do is I channel my breath. Now, this is counterintuitive, but I channel my breath down the Sahasrara. And as it's coming down all the way to the Mooladhara, I start drawing in energy, is the word I use. I start drawing in energy from the navel area. I draw in energy from the navel area and let it is basically all I have done. This is Nivaran. In Ayurveda, we have the concept of Vata, Pitta, Kapha, the three kinds of imbalances, which can create all the other problems in one's health. And since I've been a breath worker for a long time, and since I've watched my breath and discovered many techniques to overcome different kinds of situations, to me, this awareness that breathing in a certain way could actually start creating some cure for the imbalances of the kapha, vata, pitta doshas came as quite a thing. Since my body is the kapha type, naturally that's where I started working. And I'm very glad to say uh, that my heart rate, for example, is at a fairly decent level. Let me see if my camera shows it to you. But it's definitely not what it was a couple of days ago, and even for some time yesterday. I don't know what it says because it's facing the camera. If anyone can see it, you can tell me. Okay, let me turn. So, oh wow, it's 99 and 92. Oh wow. So that means my oxygen saturation is at 99, and my heart rate is down to 92. Now, oh, it's again up 99, but whatever. But it was much higher earlier. So I'm very glad it's wherever it is. That's a big win. So very simple technique. I draw in my breath from the Sahasrara area, or that's the feeling I get as if I'm drawing in from the Sahasrara, letting it go all the way down to the Mooladhara. And as my breath is moving there, I'm drawing in air from the energy from the navel area and channeling it up the spine. And simply by doing this, my phlegm production is down, and that feels like a big win. And that's why I wanted to make this video, share it with you. I have shared a lot of videos on Shwasko Shuddhi Kriya, but the Kapha Dosh Nivaran, or ways to reduce the phlegm production in the body, that's the big takeaway today. And hopefully I'll be doing some in-depth or in detail writing on this. I've done a little earlier, but I'll do some more. And hopefully I'll be able to share this course with some people who are interested, because a lot of people, especially with the COVID or COVID related situations, develop all kinds of things in their lungs, including pneumonia. So this can be quite a good uh, cure for them, if not a cure, at least a relief for them. And well, we'll see where it goes. For today, that is enough. Thank you all. I'll see you again sometime. Namaste.